If you're experiencing the installation loop error 2026 in Call of Duty, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Close all applications and restart your computer to refresh the system. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can interrupt the installation process. Test your connection by browsing other websites or running a speed test. Step 3. Clear game cache. Navigate to the game installation folder and delete any temporary files or cache. This can help eliminate corrupted files that may be causing the installation loop. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the game launcher and select Run as administrator. This can provide the necessary permissions for the installation process to complete successfully. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This will ensure that all files are correctly installed and up to date. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the installation loop error. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.